It is a little bit of an overcast late afternoon, but it is absolutely beautiful out right now. And Addie wants to go for a walk. Just checking on these berries to see how they're doing. I am gonna try to eat them. Kinda can't wait. I just have to make sure I get some before the birds eat them all. I really like feeding the birds, but we've had an advisory that the bears are still most likely passing through. And since we've had some sightings and it's been advised not to fill them right now, I'm gonna leave it empty, but thankfully we've gotten some rain. So hopefully the birds are feasting off of those worms. I'm going to be making 2 loaves of bread, and I needed enough for 2 recipes, so that is why you see one in this bowl right here. But look at this beauty. Look at how active this starter is. Sorry, my camera's being a little weird. It's glitching. I don't know why, but I completely forgot that I have a dough hook, so I was doing this the hard way for about a minute. I mentioned in last week's video that I had hoped to have the porch done and redecorated, but it turned out to be a bigger project than what I anticipated. But I am excited because as I'm doing this voiceover, you don't see it in this video, but the chairs are done. I could not find my sander, so I decided to just smooth these out a little bit and primer them. But I also went to Hobby Lobby this week and I had a lot of fun shopping. Who does not have fun in Hobby Lobby? And all I have to do is power wash and bring all of my fun stuff out and redecorate. So it will for sure be on next week's video. So stay tuned for that reveal. And even though I'm going to power wash, right now I'm just doing a little bit of pre-cleaning. You guys, we get a lot of rain coming in sideways, so by looking at this, you can't even believe it was cleaned last year. It just looks so, it's amazing how dirty it gets so fast. These chairs need a good cleaning before I paint them. I am terrified of spiders, and there are a lot of spider webs on these. And in case you're wondering what that is in my pocket, don't laugh at me, but I am a girl from Chicago. We're not used to bears. So I do have my bear spray, especially because I really do believe that there was a bear back here twice. Today I'm stopping at the Walnut Street Market in Cookeville, Tennessee. It's one of those places I like to go and wander through because they have things like fresh produce, farm fresh eggs, organic meat, raw milk, homemade breads, and also some handcrafted items from locals, which I think is really cool. So I hope you enjoy coming along with me today. And a little stop to Poet's Coffee in Cookeville, Tennessee to get some strong coffee. I didn't record it, but I did also stop at the West Side Market, which is right next to Meg's Bread, and grab chicken salad and the couscous salad. Just wanted to grab some groceries before I head over to Lowe's and Hobby Lobby, which is coming up next. I can almost hear the money jumping out of my purse. You guys, look at that face. You guys, it is almost 4 o'clock in the morning, and this is how loud the birds are in the middle of the night. It's only to start, you guys. I know that everyone has their own preference, but whenever I use jalapenos in baked items like my jalapeno cornbread muffins or bread, I prefer the jarred because I feel like the flavor is better and it's also more consistent. I have used fresh jalapenos in my jalapeno cornbread muffins and it just doesn't taste the same. I just think it tastes so much better with the jarred, so that's just my opinion. Right about here, I camera was doing a weird flashy thing, so I had to turn on my kitchen light. I really don't like my kitchen light. I feel it's too bright and it kind of reminds me of a hospital light, so please excuse the brightness. Okay, so this one looks like it might be ready. Behind me. My camera stand makes her nervous. I don't know why she does it all the time. What are you doing, silly girl? What are you doing? Oh my goodness. This is one of my favorite mugs that one of my sisters gave me a few years ago. Well, friends, thank you for slowing down with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it brought you some peace and some calm. So until the next one, stay cozy.